Hi foodies buddies! Welcome back to my channel. So, for today's video, I just have to share something, some good news and bad news. So, ano bang uunahin natin? Dito muna tayo sa bad news para after good news naman. So, for the bad news, ayun, na alam naman natin na basta na-discover namin na pregnant ako nung December. Tapos after 2 months, nagka-spotting ako. And then, yun, in-advisean kami na magpa-TBS. And nung nag-TBS na ako is, ang result is, wala na daw heartbeat yung baby. So, yun. Nakunan po ako nung February 23. Yan, nalaman namin na wala nang heartbeat yung baby. So, kailangan akong raspa or DNC. Basta yun, para makuha yung baby. And then, na-hospitalize ako noong February 25. Yan, 5 days kami doon. And lumabas kami noong March 1. So, yun. Sad to say, siguro hindi pa panahon or it's not yet the right time para yun masundan. So, yun. And let's move on. And let's move on to the good news. Good news naman is bumalik na yung ads ko. Yee! Kasi nawala siya nung nung month ba yun? Last month, yun, nawala siya kasi hindi dumating yung yung pin. So, kailangan pang mag-request ng 4 times before makapag-manual verification. So, yun, after 4th times na pag-request ko, so yun, doon ako nakapag-manual verification, and now, bumalik na yung ads. So, yan. I'm very happy din. And next good news is, we will be having a birthday raffle. Yes. Kami po ni classmate Blessed Heartfield, magkakaroon po kami ng birthday raffle because we are meant to be. Pareho po kaming May ang birthday. May 27. Then siya is May 31. Tama ba, mate? So, May 31. So, magkakaroon kami ng raffle, birthday raffle. So, abangan nyo kung when siya mag-start. Ayan. Yun lang guys, ang update na gusto kong i-share. So, may ganyan talaga, may good news and bad news. So, we should honor our feelings, but we have to move on. And yeah, look on the brighter side. Despite everything, we should be positive. And let's be happy. Yan lang. Thank you, foodies buddies. And sorry pala sa sa team premiere, sa team Blessed, sa lahat ng team na hindi ko na suportahan. Yun dahil may pinagdadaanan pa. So I will make sure to make up with you guys. Babawi ako sa support, and yan. Thank you so much. Bye.